The exhibition Gifts for the Gods, Animal Mummies Revealed has grown out of the work of the ancient Egyptian Animal Biobank, which is run by Lidija and Stephanie. It builds on a century of research here at the University of Manchester into mummies, but it uses a range of multidisciplinary techniques to understand what's inside the animal mummies, why were they made, and how can they best be studied today.
What really impressed me about this project, that not only does it engage with the experts in this field, but it really reached out to a new audience that really maybe not even known about animal mummies before this exhibition.
It's unique. It's the first time that many of the objects have been shown to the public, and it engages many people. It will, I believe, reach about 400,000 people by the end of its tour. And in particular, it attracts children, and they can actually look at X-raying a mummy, they can see how CT scanners work. I'm sure it will inspire many children to go on and look at science in a very different way.
Manchester Museum has worked with many researchers over the years on exhibitions, but I think this is our most successful collaboration, not just because of the commitment of the people involved, but because of their enthusiasm for their work and the themes that they brought out, which connect very well with our wide audiences.
This research is now referred to on national and international levels, so it puts Manchester at the forefront of this area of research.
Congratulations to you all. I know you've worked really hard over the last 18 months to give us all a fantastic experience and teach us all about animal mummies.
Congratulations to all members of the team for a very hard-working, enthusiastic and outreaching project.
I'd just like to say it's been a blast working with you, and I look forward to further collaboration in the future.